Hey, what's good everybody? How's it going? I know it's been a long time, so kind of want to bring it back in a little bang. Want to do a car reveal. So I picked up a new daily not too long ago, and it's super awesome. It's not like a brand new car or anything. It's literally just a truck, and I've been wanting a truck for quite some time now. I've had it for about 2 months now, and I've been loving it. In all honesty, I've been loving it. It's really old, but it gets the job done, and it helps me where I need it to. It's like I really just needed something where I could just like haul shit, like haul parts and things like that. And whenever I need to tow something, like if I ever need to like to tow the EK or the Type R somewhere, I can do that now without having to like do a bunch of extra stuff, or like having to like see if my friends have a truck, or having to call an actual tow truck. So this is definitely something needed, and I've been wanting a new daily for a while since I got rid of the Fit, and this is the replacement, so I'm super happy about it. I was gonna get a Z, but I changed my mind. I was like, you know, I can either get a Z or I can get a truck, and I was like, you know, I really need a truck right now. I really need it for the hoe and I really need it for the haul and the tow. So yeah, without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys what I got. So this right here, guys, is my new to me 2010 Toyota Tundra. It is only 2-wheel drive. It's rear-wheel drive. It's not the 4x4. I don't really need a 4x4 here in Texas. I mean, it has a towing capacity that I need, just basically towing small Civics. So it's got everything I need. It's got a big bed to haul. It's a double cab. You know, it's funny, I've had this truck for 2 months now, and I still haven't got my license plates or my registration stickers in. So yeah, but it's a pretty big truck. It took me a while to get used to driving it, but for the most part it does everything I need it to do. I'm really happy about it. The truck does have a lot of miles on it. It has over 200,000, but it runs super butter. The only problems that I have with it are occasional torque converter stutter, but really all I need to do to fix that is get a flush, because I still think the torque converter is good based off of how it's behaving. But here you go. Here's the inside. I just went to Harbor Freight's, go get a gas tank, put some gas in that, because I plan on working on the EK a little bit today, and some brakes part cleaner. But yeah, the back seats, very spacious, very spacious. The seats go up. Me and my girl, we use this for Costco runs, and I let her take the truck whenever she wants to take it, so she's not putting a bunch of miles on her Kia, you know. The bed, a little scratched up. I can use some bed liner. I really could use some bed liner. I would like to, but I'm using the truck for what I bought it for. Basically just for a hauler, tower, daily driver. Daily driving this right now, oh my god, especially because of gas prices. It's the only downfall of this thing is the gas prices. Hey, I did not know this was back here. Interesting. Oh, you know, it's funny, I have not checked back here yet, so that's cool to know. Okay, yeah, we'll worry about that later. I'm struggling. All right, this is the passenger side. As you can see, it's definitely being used. Driver's side, got the middle seat. If it'll go up. I'm just weak. There we go. But yeah, got the middle seat. The double glove compartment. I can't complain. The only thing I really don't like is the stereo. Like, the only thing about the stereo is like, Austin music is trash, bro. I'm sorry. Hope I don't offend anybody when I say that Austin radio is garbage. I don't know if it's because I'm from Killeen and they play music kind of tailored to people like me, you know what I mean? But yeah, Austin radio is trash. Let's go back to the other side. But man, let me tell you, driving a truck, there's nothing like it. There really is nothing like it. I barely drive the Type R now. Let me think, like, I've honestly only put maybe like 2,000 miles in like the past 6 months of driving the Type R anyway. So yeah, but yeah, this is my first V8. I don't plan on doing anything really to this truck. I'm not modding it or anything like that. It's literally just gonna be a get me to where I need to go kind of deal. So I cannot complain. Fucking love this truck. Love it, love it, love it. Oh yeah, I have a little Snorlax sticker. That's what it reminds me of. Snorlax, just due to the color and how big it is. So it was between this truck and another Tundra. Like, to be honest with you, you know, I can't afford some brand new, anything really above 2015 and up. So like, especially when it comes to trucks are just so expensive. Everyone's buying trucks. Well, now that gas prices are going up, people aren't, but like, you know, it was a good time to buy a truck just due to that. Gas prices are going up, people are getting rid of trucks, you know what I mean? So I figured to scoop one up now while I can, and then use it for the things I need to use it for. All right, back in the truck now. Go ahead and turn it on for you guys. So as you can see, if it'll show, yeah, like I was saying, I've got 200,000 miles. I don't know if you can see, it's not focusing. There we go. I got 211,000 miles on the dash. Ignore the maintenance required light. That's just from me getting my oil change, and it was a sit-in oil change, and I just didn't reset the maintenance required light yet. And I think one of my TPMS sensors are bad, because all my tires are actually at the right pressure size. So I'm gonna have to go take it in to Discount Tire, let them scan the sensors and see if they're good or not. I might have to get them changed. Like I said, this is an old truck, but she runs good. Another reason why I wanted a Tundra, here, let me turn the camera on. Another reason why I wanted the Tundra is, if you know anything about Tundras, these last forever. This is gonna last me through the apocalypse, bro, I'm telling you. So only downfall about them is, I swear, they have like a they have a hole in the gas tank, man. The gas mileage on these is not the best, I would say. Like, gas mileage, I say I average, like, in all honesty, probably like 17 miles to the gallon. So yeah, but hey, it's a truck, you know, it's a truck. But you know, like I was saying earlier, like, I can't afford like anything higher than like a 2015 truck, and this 2010 was the right price for me at the time. So decided to jump on it, and I could not be more happy. I do not regret the decision at all. It's been 2 months with it, and I'm totally happy with it. So yeah, I can't complain. But hey, yeah, guys, this is the new truck. This is my new daily. This is the new hauler. This is the new tower. I know it's not a 4x4, but it's gonna get the job done for what I needed to get the job done. Maybe in the future I can upgrade to something a little bit more fancier truck wise, but I love this truck, man. I really do. My girl likes it too. She can drive it whenever she wants, and you know, it's the family truck. So I'm sure you guys understand that. But yeah, that pretty much concludes the video. I know you guys are thinking like, yo, what about the Type R? What about the EK? I don't know. No, I'm just kidding. No, but the Type R and the EK, here, you know what? I'll just drive and talk about the Type R and the EK. Alright, let's turn this boy around. Yeah, I'm right behind Harbor Freights right now, so literally just drove back here because I didn't want to record all up in the front parking lot and stuff. I got a YouTuber anxiety, I guess you can call it. You know, and I'm 3K subs in, and I still get nervous recording videos in front of people, which is hilarious. I'm a very introverted guy, in all honesty. So about the Type R and the EK. So with the Type R, I haven't done any updates to the Type R. Literally, if you watch my 2-year mod video, it's literally the same stuff. I haven't touched that car. Literally only drive it to like car meets and the occasional like just to like stretch its legs and keep it going every like 2 weeks or so. I will drive the car. The EK. So with the EK, I literally have everything I need to do the B series swap. Everything but the headers and an exhaust. That's literally all I need. I have everything else, ECU, everything else. But I decided that I would break down the motor one more time and rebuild it properly, because last time I made the long block, I rushed it, and I did have that little bit of scarring on cylinder 1. And I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna do this, just let me do it right. Like, you know what I mean? Let me just do it right. And then that way, if I blow the motor, I blew it and I did it right. So, yeah. So, I'm rebuilding the block again. And once I finish rebuilding the block this time, we'll be dropping it straight in. And I'm almost done with it, but only thing I gotta do is take out the crankshaft and take out all the pistons and drop the block off to get professionally honed and decked and hot tanked. And then at that point, it is, it's good to go. And I can slap it back together. It'll only take probably a day to slap the motor together, and then I would have to go get a cherry picker probably from Harbor Freight's right there and drop it in. So yeah, I'll probably have to get some friends to help me. I know if you guys remember Chris, he said he would help me, so I'll probably see if he will come help me or something. I don't know, someone will help me, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, so that's the update on the Type R and the EK. Type R, I haven't really done anything to. I really want to start tracking that car soon. I literally just recently got all the fluids and everything changed on it, new brakes, all that jazz, and now it's just parked. 50,000 miles on her. 52,000 miles to be exact on the Type R. The EK, God willing, will have a fresh motor in it, so yeah. So I'm excited for that. Bro, let me stop real quick. So let me tell you, the truck, I love being up this high. You literally don't have to worry about potholes. You literally don't have to worry about nothing in this truck, and it is beautiful. Beautiful. Can't complain about nothing. Not a thing. Speed bumps, what? Don't worry about it. Anything else? Don't worry about it. It just doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Moments later.
I'm in the garage now, and I'll give you guys an update on the Type R. So if you saw my 2-year mod video, basically nothing has changed. I promise, nothing has changed at all. Like I was saying, I barely drive this car now, so I put maybe 2,000 miles on it in the past 6 months or so. So yeah, I really drive this. I really drive the Type R. Only time I drive it is to just keep the battery alive. I should probably just get a Tinder and put it on it, but only time I really drive the car is if I go to shows, car meets, if I just want to go on a drive, then I'll pull out the Type R. Other than that, I rarely drive the car, in all honesty. I love it, and I just kind of want to preserve it as long as possible. But, you know, I have 52,000 miles on the car in 4 years, not even 4 years yet. Yeah, 4 years, 4 years. And so it'll be 4 years in October, so 4 years. And yeah, so here's a rundown of the Type R. And as you guys know, TE37s, full bolt-on, Yusuke Urameshi. You know, gotta trick these people, let them think it's stock. Itachi sticker, the one sticker that hasn't changed on my car, ever. Yeah, PRL full bolt-ons, side markers, the sequential ones that are broken that I need to get switched up. Yeah. Got the Zosh Marauder sticker. Shout out to Zosh. I love Zosh's channel. Yeah, you know. Yeah. The Type R's the Type R. There's Snorlax. If you guys want to see the condition of the B18C1, like I said, I broke the motor back down. We're gonna do it right. I have everything that I need to swap into the motor. Some of it's in storage right now. I only have stuff that I recently bought to finish it, like my ECU. This is, what's this, my fuel line. Things like that, but yeah, pretty much like everything is ready. Here's the scoring I was talking about. Give me 1 second. I've already showed you guys this plenty of times, but if someone's watching the video who hasn't seen it yet, right there. I mean, it's not enough to catch an L, but it's enough to make me want to take it in. Reached out to my friend the other day and I sent him a video. I was like, hey, what would you do in this situation? He was like, I would take it in for a second glance. So yeah, I was like, I'm gonna definitely do that. So yeah, B18C1, we're gonna finish it. Trust me, we're gonna finish. I'm just taking my time. Like I said, I've been focused on work and things of that nature. Also, yeah, none of you guys know this. I'm studying. I'm back in school and I'm studying web development, software development. So you literally have to do that, like study that like 20 plus hours a week. Do that and doing that, and I still feel behind. So yeah, it's just like I really want to focus on that. You know, I get paid $40,000 a year as a social worker. That's not cutting it for me. So it's time to elevate. So I just been focused on real life elevation right now, more than like social media, YouTube and stuff like that. So that's just where my mind's been lately. That's why I haven't been dropping videos and content and stuff like that. I mean, I get it all the time. Yo, Syrious, where's the videos? Where you at? I'm like, I'm just focusing on real life stuff right now. I'm sorry, guys. But that's just where my mind's been lately, in all honesty. It's just been school and work and just focusing on that, trying to grind, level up. So, hey, I'm sure you guys understand, completely understand. And I get messages all the time like, bro, you're really good at editing. You make good content. Where are the videos at? So I want to give something to you guys. And also my birthday's tomorrow, so hey, birthday video. So yeah. But back to it, B18C1, that's coming in. It's actually, now that I'm back working on it, I literally just took this apart the other day, maybe like 2-3 days ago I took this apart, and this is how far I've gotten so far. I just got to like took off the grill and everything. I just got to go to the storage and get some oil and things of that nature, and I need to torque off the crank bolt so I can pull all that apart. I've just been too lazy, in all honesty. So but yeah, here you go. EK still exists, I promise. EK still exists. Like I said, I'm working on it. I'm probably gonna paint this hood today, maybe, if I'm up to it. I need to switch the coilovers out that Max Speeding Rods gave me, because I'm supposed to do a promo video on those, so I need to do that. And I really want to paint this hood purple, back to the original car color. And once I do that, it'll look better, but you know. But yeah, the EK still exists. Like I was saying, we're gonna have this full track spec pretty soon, so yeah. Alright guys, so I figured I'd just go ahead and close out the video in here. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate it. Also, here's another little bonus. If you guys haven't seen this guy in 9 months, look how big he's gotten. What's up, Sammy? Sammy. And you guys know Mrs. Maxine. Happy girl, happy boy. What's up, boy? How you doing? Go. Yeah, remember he used to be brown, but when we gave him a haircut, he turned white, and I think he's just gonna get brown hair again once it grows back long. But yeah, he's Sammy. He's Sammy. But yeah, as I was saying, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I promise it will not be 9 months until the next video. I promise. I'll probably try and drop a video sooner than later, actually, because I do have to make that video for Max Speeding Rods, putting in those coilovers that I've been sitting on for a while. Shout out to Max Speeding Rods. They are really cool, actually. I actually think I have a promo code with them. I think it's Syrious or Syrious 10 if you want to get coilovers from them, or I think any product actually. So hey, there you go. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Hope you guys like the new truck, the new addition to the squad. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Appreciate you. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next one. Later.